I'm glad you're here today. I'm going to show you how to make a simple homemade hand sanitizer. I don't know whether you are the same way I am, but I am finding it almost impossible to buy hand sanitizer right now. So this is a great recipe. If you've got some alcohol and are able to find some aloe vera, you can make yourself a nice solution that's very similar to what goes in the bottle. Now before I get started, I wanted to tell you a little difference between alcohol strengths. Now the only one I could find was the 70%. They make it in 91%, and then you can also buy it in 60%. And there is obviously a difference in the sanitation, qualities of the alcohol. If you have the 90 or 91% alcohol that you have in your own home, you would be 2 parts of that to 1 part of aloe vera. Because this is 70%, the quantities are different. We're going to be adding more alcohol, and I'll show you those. But I wanted to point that out, and I will make information about that in the description box down below the video. So you might want to check that out and make notes. So we're going to get started. I'll bring you down and we'll get started. It's pretty darn easy. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. I have a measuring cup. I have a tablespoon measure. I have a whisk. Then I have aloe vera gel. Now this is not aloe vera, like fresh aloe vera gel. It needs to be just normal 100% gel because the other is not stable. And this is no fragrance, no coloring. I was able to find this on Amazon very easily. And then again, as I said, I've got the 70% alcohol and a funnel, and then a bottle to put it in. And what I have here is an empty sanitizer bottle. So I'm going to just refill that. So I'm going to start with 9 tablespoons of the alcohol. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, if you said, well, I'll just do ounces, it comes out so bizarrely. You know, it's one of these things, 0.00025 tablespoons, and it's, you know, it's more difficult to do it that way. And then it's just 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Come on, get out of there. All right, that's a tablespoon. Let me get a little bit more in there. Okay, that's good. Now put that in. And then we're just going to give it a good mix. It's not as thick, you know, as it would be what you buy in the store. And of course, because this is the weaker solution of alcohol, it will be thinner. In the when you have the 90%, you have a thicker end result. But this works. So it's going to go into my bottle. And of course, you could double it, triple it. This is really just a small batch to show you. And put the lid on it. And give it a couple pumps. There it is. Oh, that's very nice. I think you're going to like that. I've done it with the 90%, 91% before, and it is much thicker. But this 70% works absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. That is wonderful stuff. So that's how easy it is to make hand sanitizer at home. I think you'll have a fun time making it. And if you wanted to put a little fragrance in it, you could do that. This just has a nice, you know, clean alcohol smell. It's not offensive by any means. And we all probably have empty bottles now, don't we? So I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.